Guys, in this video I'll be sharing the thought process behind building my latest side project, which I have named Forms API. I'll cover why I chose this project, what technologies I used, and give you a demo how it works. My goal with this video is simple. If you're someone trying to build your own project, I hope you can learn something from my journey, and if you are already an experienced developer, I would really appreciate your feedback, especially if you think there is something I could have done differently. So as Forms API is basically a tool that I built to help developers who use React.js and Tailwind CSS to build their forms. So basically this API has been built to help developers collect the form submissions from the front end without having to build a backend. And this API also gives you a pre-built form components that can be used directly in your React applications which are using Tailwind CSS. So when you log into the Forms API, you're going to be landing on this dashboard. So this dashboard is basically showing how many submissions I've made using the API and how many forms I have used. And it's also showing me my monthly limit, which is 100. And this month I have not submitted any forms because I am on a starter plan, which is basically free of cost. On the starter plan, I'll be able to submit 100 submissions per month. And there are other plans as well, which allows you to submit 500 submissions with 5 custom forms. And the Pro plan allows you to submit 2000 submissions per month with the 10 custom forms. As soon as you land on the dashboard, you will see all the stats. And here you will be able to find your API keys and how to integrate with this API. You'll find the documentation here. But to avoid the complexity of integrating with the API, there is a section called templates, which provides you basically a lot of custom form templates here, which you can directly use in your React project, which is integrated with Tailwind CSS. So if I look at the code here, all I have to do is just copy this code and put it into my React project. This entire component is already integrated with this API. So you can directly use this component in your React app and you will get a form which looks something like this, and it will be fully functional. When you submit the form, you will be able to see all your submissions here. On one side, it's providing all the templates for the most popular kind of forms like contact us, event, registration, newsletter sign up, and there is a feedback form. But if you can't find a form that you want to use in your project, you can also create a custom form by going to custom templates. So you can create a custom form. You can actually choose each and every field that you want to have in the form. You can name the fields as you want, and this will create a custom template with all the fields that you want to collect from the user and provide you a code for the custom template that you can again just copy it from here and use it directly in your app. To build this entire API, I have used Next.js, and if I log out and just try to go to the dashboard again, I have built this user registration module using Firebase. So on one side there is a Firebase which is handling all the users, and when we log in, we land on this interface which has been built using Next.js. And to handle all the submissions that are going to be received from the users, I'm using a Firestore database, which is again part of Firebase. And to build all these subscription plans, I'm using Stripe integration. So in this project, basically on one side there is Firebase, in the middle there is this Next.js interface with all the API endpoints which are also built in within Next.js, and on other side there is a Stripe integration which is handling all the pricing and plans for all the users. Now another important question is how long it actually took me to build this entire API. I took around 3 to 4 days to build a user module with Firebase and close to 3 days to figure out Stripe integration, pricing and plans. It took me around 7 days to build Firebase and Stripe integration into this Next.js, and the remaining 7 days I just spent on building this Next.js interface. So in short, I just built this minimum viable product, which is basically an API that can be used by React developers who like to use Tailwind CSS within 14 days. So as that's all I wanted to share about my experience of building this entire project. Leave me in the comments what do you think about this project. You can also give it a try, and I'm happy to put some users on basic and pro plan free of cost just to give me a feedback on this project and give me some ideas on what additional features that can be added onto this templates. And if there is something you think I could have done better, leave me in the comments. So guys, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I'll see you in the next one.